Hard to say.
Hard to say.
Hard to say.
It's hard to say. Could be enough.
It's hard to say, considering no subject survived.
It's hard to say which of the four of us is getting the worst of this arrangement.
This can't be good, or it wouldn't be so hard to say.
Yeah. How long does that typically take?
Hard to say. A couple months.
Look, Alvin, this is hard to say, but, I mean, I gotta be upfront about it.
Oh, wait, this is really hard to say. For me, this is very hard thing to say.
No, tell me what happened.
Well, it's hard to say.
Do you think Mr. Wonka will recognize you?
Hard to say. It's been years.
Penny! Penny!
Oh my gosh.
Where's our daughter?
It's hard to say, Paul.
Wouldn't it be more likely he would walk?
It's very hard to say, Marie.
Doctor, do you think my brother will be able to come home to the farm soon?
It's hard to say. It's a difficult case. He still thinks he's an accountant.
Thank you.
How long?
It's hard to say.
How much?
Well, that's hard to say, being that it's priceless and all.
What's the terms?
Officer, do we look like a couple of psycho killers to you?
Well, it's hard to say. Looks can be deceiving.
Oh, no!